What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today I'm going to show you how to do a cabin air filter change on a Mazda CX-5. This is a 2020 model here, but it will be the same on a few different years. So our cabin air filter is located behind the glove box. In order to get to that, we need to open the glove box. And if we look on the right-hand side, we're going to see this dampening latch. And we want to pull that just straight to the right. So you can get your thumb around it like that, pop off there. Like that. Then we need to push in on either side of the glove box, and it's going to allow it to come down. So push in, and that's going to allow that to come down. Now if we look in here, this white item right here is our air filter. So you can just grab this little handle right here and pull out towards you. I don't actually have the replacement filter here right now, so I'm going to have to come back to this. But when you put your new one back in, you just want to line it up again so your handle's on the bottom. Push it in, and then you'll reverse everything we just did to close it up. You can just push that up till those stops lock behind it. Then we'll come back down here. The camera focus. We'll come back down here and just push that latch on like that. Close it up and we're done. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.